There's a big talk about the upcoming Hexed, which has a lot of similar storyline and also designed similar to the TV show The Owl House, but that's two-dimensional animation, not three-dimensional. But But the character, pop singer and actress Hailee Steinfeld, yeah, she does make music. She was on Colson Baker at my best. Look it up. It's on. You can Google that or go on geniusdoc.com, the music website. Yeah, she sings the chorus part. But a lot of people are concerned that why is the design copied off so many other female lead characters in 3D animation movies? Because we're talking from all the way from Tangled, Turning Red, Ryan, Last Dragon, Coco, and many more. Because what we're talking about exactly is you can have like an original film and great storyline, great casting, and people actually enjoy it. And at the time when these films came out, Disney media used to make revenue through theaters, but now they're as former CEO Bob Iger and now current Josh Tomorrow, now Disney Media CEO has invested in AI and fired everyone in animation department, and they're not trying to make movie revenue, which could make a lot of money if it was a good script, nice design. And it would be rewatched if it was actually good. But now Disney Media is focusing more on trying to make revenue and investing in Disney Plus, their streaming service, which that's also used for their TV shows like Phineas and Ferb season 5, and also other shows that have been aired lately. So they just want to do these like kind of pricey deals, and sometimes combined deals with also another streaming service just to make even more money. So it's way different than how Zootopia 2, which came out just last year in November. United States Thanksgiving, when that film came out in cinemas and everyone was watching it. They had a mega casting and great storyline. And that that movie was only second place to Neza 2, which is a China-made film, which only had just a couple more more money in the Billions Club. So it was like that was on 2.3 billion, and Zootopia was kind of like 2.2 or 2.1, because it's China. They go for their own first before they go for the outside stuff. Because even the DVD that came out and people are still well, they rewatched it. Jennifer Goodwin, she took her kids out. Well, she also watched it herself at the local cinema near her. And also the DVD revenue, that's the key part, because actor and movie director Matt Damon, unlike his friend Ben Affleck, who's just an actor. Matt Damon had mentioned when he went on the Hot Ones interview show a while back, describing how making films and all that revenue, how it's all done. So if you, for example, he did talking about if you wanted to make a love story, so you would probably have to invest 25 million to start it and pitch that. To advertise it, to so on TV and also at theaters, and then you would have to make double that. So that's 50 million. So if it's going to be shown in theaters. But just to make sure that when you're the movie that you're the creator and the movie is going to be shown in cinemas worldwide, you have to make four times the original, so that's 100 million. Just to credit and usually after the filming at and release at cinemas near you, and if they do, and then the DVD copy would come out in a few weeks or the next month, and that would actually make money for like the creators and the directors and all the cast members and any company that work with them, and also including the music labels too. Now, streaming services, they cut it in half. So if they're going to focus mostly on, for example, if we're talking Disney Plus, the creators of will only make half the revenue, which unless if they actually make a lot of revenue off this Hexed movie, if it actually is successful, since Toy Story 5 just came out, and original Toy Story fans, they're watching it for nostalgia, and they didn't like the fourth movie, even though Keanu Reeves was in it. And in Sonic 4, since which they'll also show it through Paramount Plus, but they're mostly focusing on cinemas first. And they added Kristen Bell playing Amy Rose the Hedgehog. And she's also voicing one of the new dogs casted in Paw Patrol, also under Paramount. So that's also going to make a lot of revenue compared to, but focusing on throwing at and mostly toward Disney Plus. So the 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 writers and directors and the cast members, they're only going to get less compared to what then how the writers, directors, and the cast members on Zootopia 2, what they got, because they mostly focused on releasing it on cinemas, and DVD revenue is not. Now the only streaming service this TV show, this movie that got popular because it had K-pop in the title, K-pop Demon Hunters, which was released on Netflix, and you have to have a Netflix account to watch it. That was the only Netflix product that actually had a DVD copy that they even decide to release to make revenue. So it just shows how different it really turned out. And even though that they're still trying to promote Zootopia to watchers to rewatch it on Disney Plus, that's just scam attempts. And also how a TV show or movie actually gets good appeal and more likes is how they would make it look original, and the art design has to be good. But apparently nowadays Nickelodeon, Disney, Cartoon Network, and even HBO Max, they're copying each other using the same template over and over and over again. So people are tired and they think, no, I'm not watching this. Because they would rather watch something more interesting. Something of more that actually gets their attention. Not like what have some people have saying, no, designed are too familiar. They should do better. Because that's the approach and also why does she have no earrings and one and then she suddenly does? Because this is not like the Parent Trap where Lindsay Lohan maybe she did as a kid, maybe. But this will even lose because likely to Toy Story 5 and Sonic 4 and even K-pop Demon Hunters 2 if they're going to even release the DVD copy for revenue. And while Matt Damon and also Demi Moore, you know her as G.I. Jane. She's also talked about how things have changed and streaming services are killing how things and how it's not the same as it used to be, and people aren't really happy about that. Yes, that's why. Well, Ben Affleck, on the other hand, he decided to invest in this AI company called 11 Labs, which they let people use their own voice and image for any projects, and which Matt Damon, he should not be friends with Ben Affleck anymore if that is going on. And even this even steals jobs from people, because there is like this thing called an AI actress, and this AI actress, it's ripping off Scarlett Johansson, her image and her how she talks. And yeah, Scarlett Johansson, she is against AI usage. So yeah, only the great actors and actresses and writers and directors are going against AI, while unfortunately people like Ben Affleck and even Matthew McConaughey, they endorse AI. So you better pick the right ones. Because if you were to make your own project, and would you rather pitch it to theaters and then eventually make money through DVD copy revenues, or would you rather rely on streaming services? Because of course, DVDs, they just also have those extra stuff that streaming services don't have, like behind the scenes and cut scenes that weren't used. It's called missing out. So with this AI, you're not just putting cast members like Hailee Steinfeld and everyone else that hasn't been mentioned yet. But it's just not making Disney media look good as it used to be. And that's why people say I'd rather watch the old stuff than the new stuff that's coming out. And maybe they should think about why and stop relying on streaming services. And we feel bad for people like Hailee Steinfeld and the other cast members. Yeah, they could actually be on like a different movie and actually something original, something creative, nice design, or even like a live action. And everyone would actually get part of the revenue after it was released in theaters. But Hex, no, they're going to lose to Toy Story 5 because even the Swifties are backing this up. And Taylor Swift has a big fan base, so yeah, she released I Knew It, I Knew You, which is on one of the topping charts just because it's Taylor Swift, and she was a big fan when she was just a kid. K-pop Demon Hunters 2, when that's going to be released, and Sonic 4, and Paw Patrol. How would that's going to turn out? And there will be other projects that have not been mentioned yet, but they will do much better because they are original, better script, better designing, and or live action. They would have the money to because even this year's Hoppers couldn't catch up because Daniel Chong's original project of Cartoon Network, We Bear Bears, which was not much successful. The TV show they had like a grizzly, black bear, and a panda and a polar bear. Just living their lives in the forest and humans around. Way better than Hoppers, which would mostly cater towards little kids, not general audience of all ages. Good, because even We Bear Bears, they threw in some Korean, Japanese, and Russian. And people from those countries are going to be proud that, hey, we get representation for a language. So not even Hoppers could even catch up. So Hoppers would definitely beat at this. Although they also had the same design as Big Hero 6. Why does that girl look like awfully similar to Hiro Yamada, who is the guy? So that was also a big flop too. In thinking about, and that was around the same time. So stay away from the AI made projects because people rather want to support original, not a- because AI does not know how a human actually works and how they feel. Because every writer and director around the world, they know this. Except, except for the ones who are endorsing AI. Don't watch their stuff. Because we need to support real. So we'll see how this ranks